Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Enki app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Enki is a self-improvement and learning app designed to help users build coding, data, and professional skills through personalized bite-sized lessons. It offers topics like Python, SQL, HTML, JavaScript, and even soft skills like productivity and leadership. The app uses spaced repetition and interactive quizzes to reinforce learning, making it a useful tool for daily practice. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app's interface is clean, simple, and user-friendly. Users appreciate the guided learning paths and the flexibility to learn at their own pace. The streak tracking and progress reminders help keep motivation high. Many users mention the content feels well curated, especially for beginners trying to develop tech skills without getting overwhelmed. That said, it's not flawless. Some users feel the content can be too basic for intermediate learners. There are also occasional bugs like loading issues or progress not syncing properly across devices. While the free version is useful, several key features are locked behind the premium plan, which might not appeal to everyone. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Enki is a solid app for daily skill building, especially if you're new to coding or looking to form a consistent learning habit. With its sleek design, useful reminders, and accessible lessons, it's a great tool, but more advanced learners may want to combine it with deeper resources. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.